As simple as using your phone or any gadget for that matter, with an internet connection, you could actually be making over $764 in no time. All of this money you will get straight into your PayPal account, and we know you guys are so happy knowing this because we know that you guys absolutely love PayPal. Our method for today is very easy, very quick to do, great for beginners. You won't even need any skills or prior experience to do today's method because it literally won't require any of that from you. As always, it's accessible from all parts of the globe, so don't even worry about that. You're not going to have to invest anything, pay for anything, show any money at all. This method is completely free and it's going to stay that way. We know you guys are just dying to know what we're talking about, so please stay. We will very much appreciate it. We're going to be walking you through today's whole process step by step because we want you guys to be able to catch up and stay on track. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey, and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Open up Capterra.com, and on this website is where you're going to be able to make the amount of money that we had just promised you, all by writing reviews. Writing reviews is not complicated at all. In fact, it's the easiest way to profit. All you need is to be honest on how you feel about a certain software and write it all down, and for your honesty and time spent, you're literally gonna get paid. It teaches you a lot about being honest because you actually get paid. Anyway, let's go through this website real quick. So if you browse through the software category of this website, you're going to see thousands and thousands of different softwares that you can either choose to read a review on or write a review on. Of course, for us, it's writing, but at least you have options. There are softwares that you've heard of, softwares you never even knew existed, softwares that you tried, softwares you swore by your whole life, and a lot more. Now we want you to click on write a review on the homepage, and that should take you to here where you can finally start the process of writing your first review and officially start earning. First things first, as you can see, you're going to choose what software it is that you want to write a review on. So this only makes the website 10 times better because you have the complete freedom to choose what you want to write about. So you can give your most honest opinion and you'll actually have something real to say. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. Since it is a pretty difficult step to choose the perfect software to write a review on, we suggest that you look up PowerPoint on the search bar. We all know what PowerPoint is. No matter what age you are, you definitely know it. So this is the best option because it goes for anyone and everyone. Once you look that up, you're going to be taken to here where you're going to see the review page for Microsoft PowerPoint. Now click on write a review right here, and then you're going to be taken to here. The next step is to sign up for a free account, because if you have no account, then you're obviously not going to be able to write a review to begin with. So just fill up all of the details being asked: your first name, last name, email address, job title, organization name, and you can simply type in self-employed if you aren't part of an org like me. Then for industry, just choose computer software. Then company size should be myself only. Then how long you've been using this software, just choose 6 to 12 months, because the longer time you've been using it, the more reliable your review is going to be. People will actually want to read it. Then finish up the questions with your answers. Then click on next. And then this is step 2. And this is what you're going to be filling up next. And this is where the magic begins, where mostly the rating process actually starts, which we're sure you can tell just by looking at our screen right now. So you're just going to rate it according to how this website has been for you. Just be honest as possible. Don't be scared, because that's exactly what they want. And that's it for step 2. And now click on next to jump into step 3. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Third step and the last step is the main part and the core of this whole review process. As you can see, you're going to title your review, then you're going to give your pros, your cons, and then finish up with the questions with your most honest answers as usual. But if you're actually just doing this to earn money and really have nothing to say, or just don't know what to say in general, then you can go ahead and open up Google.com and look up Microsoft PowerPoint reviews, and you can easily take lines from different reviews that you come across and copy them and then paste them on your own review and make it as if it's your own. You can copy paste, or you can maybe take some inspiration from the reviews that you've read. There's a lot that you can do that you can be comfortable with, so there's really no pressure. Once you have your review all set and ready to go, you can finally submit, and just like that, earn $764 and even more straight into your PayPal account. Remember that it does take a lot of work, but it will be worth it in the end, especially if you finally get to hold and smell and feel your cash that you're going to earn from today's method. Now remember that you can do this unlimited times a day, so you can also earn unlimited times a day, which is what we love the most about today's method. So don't limit yourself and really push yourself to do the most. And that way you can actually double and even triple your income because of your level of determination. So make sure that you try this method out and let us know how it goes for you in the comments down below. Now before we wrap things up, as always, we're going to have a little short recap. So you're going to open up your default browser, type in Capterra.com, go through the entire website, really get familiar, go through the thousands of software categories that they have, and then once you're familiar of the website, when you have the feel of the website, you're gonna look up the website that you want to review on. You can do Telegram, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, literally anything. Look it up, and then you're gonna be taken to the main page where you can finally just click on a write a review. And then you can create an account. If you already have an account, you can skip this part and just sign in. And then you can begin with the rating and the reviewing process and then submit that in. If you have a hard time creating your own review, you can go ahead onto Google.com, look up reviews of what you're reviewing, copy paste, combine, and compile all different answers. And literally just like that, you're going to be making so much money. And all you had to do was copy paste or be honest. And honestly, it doesn't get any better than that. So make sure you do this method. And that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.